Nu îi spun. Nu spun la nimeni.
Nu rata Black Friday la Sportissimo. Ai 10% reducere la toate produsele de la Adidas, Puma și Lotto.
Hey guys, it's your favorite YouTuber Oily Balls here, coming right back at you with another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing your mom's balls. Just kidding. Today we are unboxing the smartphone at Balls 69,000. I swear to myself, I have no clue how it got there. Sorry you have seen it. Let me just hide it in my butt. So guys, this is how it looks like. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, drop those balls and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, it's Panty Sniffer 420 here. Today in this video, we will discuss about how to stay motivated throughout the day. Let's get started. In the morning at 3 a.m., I start my day with a fresh glass of breast milk by these guys. Hey guys, it's your favorite gamer, like my bitch, 69 here. Today in this video, I'm gonna share you about how I stay motivated as a gamer.